like, whatever. This is Dion. Please subscribe to Nicole Apollonia's channel. And this is Amber. Hello. Subscribe to Nicole Apollonia's channel. Oh my God. Subscribe. And this is Share. Subscribe. Oh my God. Nicole Apollonia's Clueless doll unboxing. Hey YouTube, it's me, Nicole Apollonia, here with an exciting review on some stuff I got on eBay. I don't know if you remember, there was a movie in 1995. I know I'm showing my age, but it was a big exciting break with starring Alicia Silverstone and also Stacey Dash and a couple of other good characters called Clueless. So I took it up on myself to go on eBay and see what I could find. I always wanted the dolls. I never was able to get them when I was younger. So I decided, why not get them now? And they came in the mail. So I want to show you in high detail what these look like. As far as the price, I paid $58, which is really, really reasonable for all three. So I got Amber, Cher, and Dion. So let's take a look at these Barbies. And these are so cool. First, I'm gonna start with Dion, of course, because she is one of my favorites. I wanna show you the box. This is what it looks like. This is it here. And basically it says stars of the hit TV series. There was a TV series, and I'm also gonna take this out of the box so you can get a detail like what it looks like as far as out of the box. But this is what the box looks like. And then it has the name at the bottom, if you can see that. This is so cool. And it also comes with a cool gift in this little dog right here. And it has a pen, it has a phone, and then it comes with one of those good old Barbie brushes, you know, those same old brushes. And then this is the back. This is all three of them there together. And I just love this. And like literally, I was so excited when the series came out, no lie. I was running around the house being crazy, and I hurt my pinky toe. Yes, I did, over a TV show. I was that excited. So to get these, like when I opened the box, I literally like had a flashback to my childhood, and I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I got these. I mean, like, I was excited. But anyway, this is the first one here, and this is the back. And basically they're all the same. So I'm just gonna take out Dion right here. And that's the little bag here. It's like a little backpack. You know, they wore those cute little foo-foo backpacks. And she has her little knee socks. And she looks so happy. And then also what it comes with, which is really cool, it comes with these like little books. Like, I guess like school books. I mean, so of course you have your high fashion magazines. And then you have your math, which is right here. You also have your notes, which is here. And also you have your European history. So that's pretty cool too. I like the fact that they gave them books. That's really, really cool. And then on the back, this is just basically nothing exciting there. The wiring. Let me get you a good look again. And then I don't know if you could see, you guys, but she had the cool micro braids. I remember those braids because her and her boyfriend got in it. She says she only wears certain type of micro braids, and that was synthetic. So I'm sure these are synthetic, but in the movie she was swinging those braids, and she has like little braids here, which I think are really cute. The next one is gonna be Amber. And Amber was like the love-hate relationship of the two. Amber was like the mean girl. She had the red hair, bad attitude, but good sense of style, which I really appreciated as well. And that is her look there. She has a yellow backpack. Amber. And I love her hot pink pantsuit. I think that is cute. And pink is one of my favorite colors. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Then if you're curious about the brush, this is just that good old Barbie brush. This is the type of brush that all of them come with. But there you go. That's that again. I'm going to put the shades on. Let's try the shades on and see what that looks like. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look. I guess through shipping, maybe they came off. And that's probably why they weren't on. But I love with the shades. She did wear a lot of cool sunglasses. I don't know if you remember. And then, once again, that's the little cell phone. So that's Amber. And then this is the back here. I'm actually going to show you. These are original. So it has a 2-year limited warranty. I don't know. That came with it as well. And then too, wow, this was actually on layaway. I guess these people, they got this from Kmart. So I actually have the original receipts, which is really, really cool for all of these, which I wasn't expecting all of that. This seller, I'm going to leave the link below of where I got these from. Maybe they have more. I don't know, but I will surely keep you updated and put that information down below. And also, you guys, I'm new to YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep some cool stuff coming your way. Last but not least, share. And this is Share in the box. She has her signature pin and her signature look here. And her cute little blue hat and her outfit. I don't know if you can see that. There's like a little bit of stripes there. And then I just think that these are really, really cool collector's items. As far as me taking them any further out of packaging other than this, I won't be doing that. I think we just have them on display. But if you're interested in any of these, just look below. I'll let you know where I got them and as far as the seller. Once again, this is Nicole Apollonia, your beauty mistress. Hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you later. Bye.